On behalf of Expert Village, my name is Craig Morrell. I'm with Landscape Restorations in Miami, Florida. We're here at Palm Hammock Orchid Estate, and we're talking about planting and fertilizing. The name of this clip is beware of what your plants are going to do after you put them in the ground. And one of the quintessential examples is a weeping fig tree. And here in Miami, this is one of the commonest and biggest mistakes that people make, is they'll buy a neat little ficus tree and they'll put it in their front yard, or their landscaper will put in a ficus hedge. And ficus trees can turn out to be huge, easily 80 feet across and 60 feet tall. There are many other plants that are small when you put them in, but like a lot of things, they do grow up. And all of these examples are plants that will get quite large. Even this saber leaf ficus will turn out to be a tree 40 or 50 feet tall. Clerodendrons can be 20 feet tall. And even our friends, the old crotons, these can easily turn into trees 12 to 18 feet tall. Even the dwarf versions of crotons can be 6 or 8 feet tall. So the point is, be aware of the size of the plant once you get it in the ground and leave some space for it to grow.